Yesterday has gone, morning has begun. So here's wishing everyone a very good morning. Home is a starting place of love, hope, and dreams. Home is where love resides. Memories are created and laughter never ends. This time is very tough for everyone because of coronavirus. WHO advised the public to stay at home and be aware and safe. So, the house is very important place for us. Home provides security, control, belonging, identity and privacy among other things. I hope till now you have already guessed the name of the chapter. Yes, you are right. The name of the chapter is Different Types of Houses. We find different types of houses in different places. There are many reasons why people build different types of houses. So, in this chapter, we will not only discuss the different types of houses but also the reasons why people build different types of houses. Let's discuss. A house must suit the climatic conditions of the place in which it is built. Depending upon the climatic condition, houses differ in cold places, hot places, and places that receive heavy rainfall. Cold places receive heavy snowfall. People build houses with sloping rooftops. This type of rooftop lets the snow slide down easily. This does not allow the house to become damp and cold. At hot places, the climate is hot. Houses are generally built on bricks and stones. Such houses have thick walls and flat rooftops. Thick walls keep the house cool from inside. Flat rooftops can be used as a terrace. They can be used for drying clothes and for sleeping. As we are living in hot places, so our houses are also built with bricks and stones and have flat rooftops. At some places, it rains so much that the land keeps getting flooded. Houses at such places are often built on the sets of wooden posts called stilts. These houses are quite high above the ground. Such houses are safe from floods and dangerous animals such as snakes and insects. A ladder is used to enter the house. At night, the ladder is removed from the house for safety. Such houses also have sloping roofs to let the rainwater fall down easily. People depends on availability of materials to make their houses. In hilly, forested areas, people use a lot of wood to build houses, as wood in such places is easily available. In places where stones like sandstones is easily available, people use blocks of stones to make their houses. Types of houses depends on climatic condition and available materials. Types of houses also depends on land forms. Just like igloo and houseboat. An igloo is a house made of snow. It is a dome shaped and has a small door. Igloos are found in polar regions. Polar region is a place covered with snow throughout the year. Eskimos live in igloos. A houseboat is a boat with a house on it. It floats on a lake. The lake in Srinagar is world famous for its houseboats. Houses also depends on the needs of the people. A caravan is a movable house. It is pulled by a car, engine or animals. It is designed for people to live and sleep in. Tents are used as a temporary houses by mountaineers, campers, soldiers and scouts. They can be carried anywhere. Tents are made of canvas. So here we learnt 4 reasons that why people build different types of houses. The 4 reasons are climatic conditions, availability of materials, landforms and needs. Now, different types of houses are made at the same places also. It depends on the available space and cost of construction. Earlier, when large plots of land were available, people built single-story bungalows. A bungalow has many rooms. It may also have a big lawn and garage. Nowadays, more and more tall buildings are being built in big towns and cities, mainly due to the shortage of space. These structures are called multi-story buildings. They have many floors and each floor has several houses. Each house is called a flat or an apartment. The cost of making a house is another reason why houses at the same place are different. It does not cost much to make kacha houses. Such houses are built with bamboo, clay and straw. A kacha house with a roof of straw is called thatched hut. Kacha houses are not very strong and need repair from time to time. A chawl consists of a rows of one-room houses. The cost of constructing houses in a chawl is not very high. Chawls are built in densely populated areas where not much space is available. Pakka houses are made from building materials such as bricks, cement, steel and concrete. Bungalows, flats and multi-story buildings are pakka houses or permanent houses. You need a lot of money to construct a pakka house. So, this is our chapter, different types of houses. In this chapter, we had learned many reasons why people build different types of houses and why people build different types of houses at same places. So keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you. Have a nice day.